Hello guys, welcome to another video. So there are a bunch of ways how you can watch Crunchyroll on Samsung TV. In this video, I will show you a handful of ways of how you can watch Crunchyroll on your Samsung TV and how you can start watching and streaming some of the movies and series. So basically, as you can see, the first way is and the easiest way to watch Crunchyroll on Samsung TV is to use a streaming device like a Fire Stick or Roku. Now, again, you can attach it to your TV's HDMI input and download the Crunchyroll app. This is by far the easiest way. You just connect the Chromecast, Apple TV, Roku, or Fire Stick, and you'll be able to basically go and download the Crunchyroll. Now, as you can see, obviously, setting up the Chromecast is a little bit, different than setting up, Roku, Apple TV, but it's pretty much go on the same page. It's going for the same page. So yeah, if you want more in-depth tutorial on this, I can create another tutorial just for this. However, let me show you second way. So second way is to cast or screen mirror your Crunchyroll app to the Samsung TV. However, this is the slowest way, but it works really well. So you can do this with your iPhone, with your Samsung phone, pretty much with anything. So as you can see, you can go to general on your settings and you can go to Apple AirPlay settings, and from there you can toggle AirPlay on. And from here, as you can see, if you are on your, for example, TV, you can click here or here to stream this on your TV. So you can stream Crunchyroll on your TV. You can click on Samsung TV, and as you can see, it will require a code sometimes, but you will need to just enter the code that Crunchyroll gives you. You can also cast Crunchyroll on your Samsung TV with an Android or Samsung phone. This is pretty much the same as you can see. You can use a casting app or Smart View depending on what phone you have. You can also stream Crunchyroll with an HDMI cable on laptop, PC, iPad, or phone. This is very good. This is something that I would recommend the easiest way because you will be able to just plug it in your phone or your laptop, play the Crunchyroll, and basically enter the HDMI port into your into your TV, Samsung TV. There are obviously other ways using third-party apps and casting your web browser. However, I would really not recommend this. I would recommend either this right here, streaming Crunchyroll with HDMI cable or on laptop, or the first one, which is right here, as you can see, using a streaming device to watch Crunchyroll. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.